Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's a pleasure to have you here once again. My name is Bruno. I'm your official English teacher, you heard? And today's video, we're going to talk about a word that causes some confusion. Today, we're going to talk about the differences between grey, G-R-E-Y, and grey, G-R-A-Y. But before we dive into that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button, alright? If you can, share this video with as many people as possible. And also hook me up by dropping some comments in the comment section, alright? So let's get it popping. First thing that's very important to know is that both variations of this word, both of them are pronounced exactly the same. Both pronunciation is grey. Grey. They are both accepted and highly used. The major difference is that the spelling G-R-E-Y is predominantly used for English-speaking countries outside of the United States. So, for example, in Australia, in Canada, in the United Kingdom, they would probably use the spelling G-R-E-Y. Whereas the spelling G-R-A-Y is more commonly used in the United States by Americans. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you guys even more for your time. It's an honor for me to get these couple of minutes during the day so I can communicate with you guys. As I said before, if you like the video, smash that like button, share the hell out of this video. All my contact information is going to be in the description box of this video, okay? And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Be safe out there. Peace.